Over 1 billion tires are scrapped every year. A small number of them are ending up on your feet. Engineers have been quietly solving a problem that has taken decades of material science to crack. The scrap rubber gets ground into fine crumb, setting the stage for the first stage of its transformation. The crumb is then fused with recycled polyester fiber inside industrial knitting machines in this very process. The materials are bonded under heat and adhesive into a single breathable sheet. And the sheet becomes the upper, the part wrapped around your foot. In the next 8 minutes, he will walk through the exact 3-stage bonding process, step by step. bonded crumb matrix holds firm, resisting heroically until the final snap, proving the incredible strength engineered into every fiber. Over 1 billion tires are scrapped every year.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. First, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.